want to tell us that our country is hopelessly divided, that our differences are irreconcilable, that our communities are fractured beyond repair. And beneath that is another message. Your voice can't fix it. Your vote doesn't matter. But that's not who we are, is it, Bucks County? In this pandemic, we're supporting each other. We're finding mercy and grace in the moments that we might once have taken for granted. We're seeing that our differences are precious and our similarities are infinite. Democrat and Republican, rural and urban, north and south, coast to coast. You, our communities, are showing that the heart of this nation still beats with kindness and courage. We don't agree on everything, and we know we don't have to. We can still love and respect one another, can't we? Now, as most of you probably know, I'm a Philly girl. I grew up in Willow Grove, not far from here, straight down Broad Street. And I know not all Pennsylvanians agree when it comes to Flyers versus Penguins, Steelers versus Eagles, Sheets versus WAWA. But there are two areas where we can all be on the same page. Number one, we all want to see the Patriots lose. And number two is that Pennsylvania is ready for Joe Biden. So, are you ready to get this done? This is it. There are no do-overs. In this election, we have to believe that our communities are stronger than the challenges they face, because they are. We have to believe that our votes matter, because they do. And we have to show up right now, put our shoulders back, and work like we have never worked before. So Bucks County, will you join us? Will you help us show that our country will never settle for less than our highest aspirations? Okay, get ready for this one. Will you stand with Joe Biden and Kamala Harris? Because I know that when you do, we will win. So thank you for being with us today. Thank you to all of you for showing up now when it matters the most. And thank you for your faith in an idea that's bigger than any one of us. And that is that we will build a better country, because we are going to do this together, Pennsylvania. Now I'm excited to introduce Tara Huber. I often say that educators are the best organizers. How many educators are out there? Thank you. We educators know how to make something out of nothing. We fight for our communities, and we know when to use our teacher voice. And Tara